Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. This particular item is a cracking bit of kit designed by, I believe, Justin at Motorcycle Storehouse. Okay, very cool bloke who does a lot of help with all the products and everything. Okay, but this particular oil is Urol, which Ultima and quite a few other people use actually, but this particular oil, Urol, is made in Europe, so it is a good spec oil. It's fully synthetic. Okay, you've got to be careful what oil you put in your bike, because obviously if you use a crap oil, your bike's going to blow up. Now, the other good thing about this is 91 to 98 Dyna kit. Okay, this particular oil filter is a lot longer than a stock filter. This ensures better filtering, and also you've got a bit more cooling on the front if you think about it, because the cold air is hitting the filter and keeping it cool. Okay, another thing you get with this, you get obviously your oil seal, and you also get some free detailing wipes. So after you've messed your bike up a bit, you have got some wipes. Now, we've also got the filters for filling it up. We've also got the thing that goes underneath the filter. It's like a plastic thing that stops the oil going over your regulator and everything else that's down there. Okay, now we also do this kit in a mineral oil. This is fully synthetic. Do it for everything: V-rods, Sportsters, baggers, Milwaukee 8s, you know, whatever bike you've got, as long as it's a Harley Davidson, we do a kit. This particular one comes with 4 fully synthetics. A lot of arguments are they are using this fully synthetic oil in the primaries now, okay? But we do a special primary oil as well. This particular kit is if you drain the whole thing, okay? So you just need just over 3 litres. So with this you get 4, so you got a bit of spare anyway. Okay, cracking stuff from Motorcycle Storehouse, as you can see. If you're interested, give us a call. Or alternatively, I think we have got some of these on eBay at the moment. But 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site if it ever gets done. Goddamn French, customcruisers.eu. Thank you.